What's up guys, Papa Piggy is here. I'm here with my wife and andito tayo sa Prestwich. And this is our first time here sa kanilang Makers Market. So tara, pasyalan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano ang meron ng kanilang Makers Market. Ayan, isa sa binili natin. Ano pangalan niya?
Biscuit bun, pistachio.
Okay, i-try. Sarap? Tingnan ako.
Cinnamon. May cinnamon din siya.
Cinnamon bun? Ano?
Oo, cinnamon.
Cinnamon bun na merong pistachio nuts.
Chewy. Chewy, ano?
Masarap, masarap siya. I like it. Thank you.
Are you local?
Ano, we're from Knutsford.
Yeah.
Yeah, Knutsford. Yeah.
Covering all the Makers Market.
Oh, cool.
So last week, we've been to Congleton.
Yeah?
So,
Previous one, we've been to Crew. So, yeah.
Well, here's my card if you want to give a follow on social media.
alright.
Yeah. Okay,
Thank you.
We'll get that one later.
This one?
Yeah.
Later we'll come back for this. Yeah. Thank you. Yung mga tinda rito, hindi yung mga familiar na sa atin, ano, katulad nito. Yung mga pinupuntahan natin ito, mga traditional pastry. Lagi natin siya nakikita kung saan man tayong punta. Pero may mga items na wala. Katulad nyo, no? Ito, gusto mo?
Honey glaze over.
Alay. 4 pounds. Gusto mo? I-try. Hello. Can we have this what's that? Honey glazed barbecue? Yeah, yeah, just one. Card. Thank you.
Thank you.
246 yung katulad ng binili natin.
Right. Let's do
Hello.
Would you like a drink?
Chocolate.
I was going to cut some more. I've got coffee and digestives, hazelnut and Nutella, and then the coconut.
Oh, we'll try that. Yeah.
Which one is the hazelnut?
That
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Right.
That's hazelnut.
Do you want this
That's
or?
That's fine.
And that's coconut.
I'll try this one.
That's coffee and digestives.
If it's it, £7.50. Is it alright? Mix?
Yeah, you can mix and
Okay.
match.
Pwede pala mix and
Yeah,
match.
yeah.
Which flavor?
What can I get you?
Pistachio.
Oh, pistachio is sold out.
Oh.
I'm really sorry, I don't have any pistachio anymore.
Alright, we're going to choose our own flavor. It's £7.50 for
How many
6
pieces?
6 pieces.
One Kinder, please.
Any 6 pieces. Yeah?
Kinder, white Nutella, biscuit.
Kinder. What Nutella? Are you recording?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're vlogging.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Two
Red
more.
velvet, please.
red velvet.
What else, please?
Oh, what else?
Biscuit. You got biscuit already?
Yeah? No.
Okay, please.
And
Okay,
then
one
you've
more?
got one more, yes.
Mint Kinder. I'll just have this Kinder 2,
You like
please.
Kinder?
Yeah.
Yung binili natin today, ang treat niya, masarap naman. Yung mga pinupuntahan nating Makers Market, yung mga nakaraan, walang ganong chocolate. So bumili kami para matikman namin. Pistachio, gusto mo? Can we try this pistachio? Yeah, please.
Oh my god, you can get a Freddo one. So, absolutely.
Pay it by card?
Yes, of course you can. There we are. Perfect, thank
Yes,
you.
thank you.
And they're all here.
Just look at your flavours. Do you have any mint flavours?
I haven't got any mint on today. But
That's fine. There's a we'll do is we'll get any food things we'll get right at the end.
Baklava. Pistachio walnut.
Where should the eye come from? Oh, they also have croissants.
Ano yun eh?
Ah, fig in a pot. 5 pounds.
Obviously. Bibili ka?
Can I have a lamb samosas to make it before? Yeah. Yeah.
Gusto mo i-try na?
Which one?
Lebanese chicken.
Where? Where should?
Yung dulo. Parang spring
Yeah.
roll.
Okay. This one?
Yan. This one. Can we have this chicken, yeah?
Chicken burak, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, can we have it, please? How much is it?
380.
Thank you. Para siyang spring roll. Kaya lang, this is Lebanese chicken borek.
Mas masarap kung mainit siguro yun kainin. Ano?
Pero masarap siya. Kaya lang malamig. Pero masarap. Try. Try mo. Ay, masarap pa lang.
Pausawan mo na ako. Suka.
Kaya lang malamig eh, pero masarap siya.
Masarap siya.
Kinain ni Kiara yung ano yung binili kong ganito.
Hindi ko natikman yan.
Kebab dog. Nilagyan ng sauce ng shawarma. Gusto ng dalawa.
Oo nga. Masarap na ako may sauce yam. At saka mainit mo kakainin.
Ang masarap siya. Ngayon ako nakakatain ng Lebanese borek. Parang sarap tingnan nito. May coconut sa ibabaw.
Ang dami sa atin sa Pilipinas ng una.
Meron. Hindi ko lang matandaan kung saan bakery shop. Kahapon we covered this guy. Galing siya ng Northwich. Nasa Northwich siya kahapon. Hello, Jonathan.
Hey, how are you doing? Fancy seeing you here. Nice to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you here.
Far away, haven't you?
Yeah. I'm following the Makers Market, so
I
yeah.
see. Wherever they are, you go.
Yeah.
Ito yung hindi mo nabilhan.
Oh, na umalis yung ano. Sabi ko try yung
Which
olive and is it cheese roll or I'm not sure. Hi. Can we try this olive and cheese roll, please?
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I just ask? What is this stuff? What's
This
inside?
is traditional Turkish snack, I can say.
Yeah.
Rice, olive oil, lemon juice, and some mint and dill in it.
Ah, okay.
Try.
If you want, you can taste it. I can give you one taste.
How much?
That one's £4.
What you're having? Olive and cheese.
Yeah.
Okay.
Olive and
Black olive and cheese. Cheese is feta cheese.
Feta cheese is finished.
Huh?
Feta cheese is finished.
Should try this?
Yes, when you're ready. £4. Yes. Before you go, want to taste it?
Is it alright?
Let's try it.
Can you hold it?
She's going to try that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Were you in Northwich yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, we're
When we
waiting for
came,
you,
you
but-
just left,
Yeah.
and
I
then
think
you.
you're buying coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then we went already, then we forgot already. So
Yeah.
this month.
Sorry for that.
We're going to try this one.
What you call that? Stuffed vine leaves.
Yeah. It's special leaves for only this. It's very fresh and
How is it?
Nice. Yeah, very much. Thank
What's
you.
your name?
Millie.
Millie.
Yes.
Thank you, Millie.
Yours?
Thank you, Miri. Thank you.
Charles.
Charles. Tina.
Wow.
Thank you very much. Thank,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. We met this guy sa Turkish. Bumili kami nung ang tawag ko?
Olive and cheese.
Olive and cheese roll. We're going to taste it. His name is Millie. And pinatikman niya sa amin yung
Stuffed vine leaves. Meron siyang rice, tapos seasoning, may pepper.
para siyang sa atin sa Pilipinas, suman. Kaya lang yung suman natin matamis. Ito naman medyo
Savory.
Na medyo masim-masim ano.
Oo, masim-masim. May lime.
It's nice to know that marami tayong nakikilalang mga personality dito. One is Jonathan from ito yung binibilan natin ng donut. Turkish guy, si Millie. Ano yun?
Sticky toffee.
Gusto ko yun.
What's that?
No. A little bit sweet.
Pero masarap siya.
Tumikil pa ng tumikil. Ano maganda rito? Ang daming patikim. Nahilig ako sa cheese nung simula kami mag-market day. How much?
They're £5.50 each. So 5.50 each, or 3 for 15, 4 for 20, 5 for 20.
Okay. But I like that one.
Sticky toffee.
We'll take this. Is this the same?
Yes, the same, yeah. That's just a model one. It's a little bit slightly bigger, but it's just a model because of the heat, so we don't want to put too many cheese out. But that's the right one. That's the right one, my love.
Lahat itinik mo muna. How much?
Just £5.50, love, and then you just tap at the top there. Thank you. That's fine. Yeah, would you like a receipt?
Thank you. No, it's fine.
You're okay, lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ang dami na. Big bread. One for 350.
Nice to see you.
May pistachio doon.
This one and this
Pistachio?
one. Yeah, pistachio and
Pistachio.
Bag, Rachel.
yes, please.
Be £7, please.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Asawa ko, basta may patikiman, no, nandun siya. Oh. So I think that's it, guys. Nauli na natin itong Prestwich Makers Market, and this is our first time here, and so far hindi naman kami na-disappoint. May mga items dito na wala dun sa mga tinanggalingan nating Makers Market. Habang kumakain ng misis ko, kasi masarap talaga yung, anong tawag dyan?
Pistachio cinnamon bun.
Yan. Parang wala niyan doon sa mga nakarang Makers Market. Talagang masarap siya. Well, anyway, hanggang dito na lang, and we will see you again sa mga susunod pa nating mga vlogs. Bye for now!
Bye!